Oh my god. This is, are we like in a Scooby-Doo cartoon?
Today we are going to be putting that old saying, bigger is always better, to the ultimate test by creating a cheeseburger to rule them all, a 10,000 calorie cheeseburger. And the only way I could accomplish this is to bring on my favorite chef around. You guys know her and you love her, Miss Holly Haynes. She's back, yay! And better than ever, look at this cute hair.
She got a haircut.
Okay, Holly, this is a really big task. What's our strategy?
Lots of cheese. Also, lots of bacon.
Crispy bacon?
I know how you feel about the bacons, so I made sure they were extra crispy. Oh, mac and cheese. What burger is complete without mac and cheese? And honestly, I just needed another way to add cheese.
Okay, let's talk condiments too.
I love ketchup, but we're putting so much stuff on here, I don't want it to be all slippery and get soggy, and so we're gonna make ketchup leather.
I love ketchup leather. So you have pre-mixed macaroni and cheese, Kraft macaroni and cheese.
2 boxes of your favorite blue box mac and cheese.
Okay.
And then bake it for about 20 minutes and let it cool off, and then you get a nice heavy pan. Feel that. That's all. That's a wrist breaker.
Oh my gosh.
That's all cheese.
Do you ever feel food and think to yourself, is this what it feels like in my body?
Yeah.
I would eat things and if like I would weigh them, I'm like, I don't know, that feels like it would make me weigh this much more, so I probably shouldn't.
Like if I'm eating 4 pounds of food, does that make me 4 pounds heavier?
It does, I think so.
So all we're gonna do is use something round, about 4 inches. I'm using a measuring cup, and you're just gonna cut.
Smart.
And this is gonna be your mac and cheese patty.
Because you want it to be the same size as your cheeseburger so that the tower's not lopsided.
Yeah, you don't want it.
Ooh, she looks great. And we only do 1 of these on this burger.
Let's do 2.
Okay.
I mean,
I like your freestyle.
let's make some Parmesan crisps. So all we're gonna do, take some Parmesan cheese, and you're just gonna make a little pile, just like that. However many Parmesan crisps you want. Then we're just gonna tap it into a little circle.
Wow, this is kind of,
Little zen, right?
this is really nice. After a long, hard day, I want to go
Pat some cheese.
home and pat some cheese.
And then you pull it out the oven.
Wow!
And it's done. You get these crispy little edges, and crispy cheese is like the best thing ever.
And the aroma is really
Right?
potent and yummy.
Super Parmesan-y.
Okay, great.
So there's another cheese layer. It's time for your favorite.
Ketchup leather.
I feel bad calling it a recipe because we're literally just putting ketchup in the oven. Right?
Literally, it's only ketchup.
According to Pinterest, it's just ketchup.
Take me down this journey. I'm with you.
We're gonna take about a cup of ketchup and spread it on a silicone sheet. So you
Okay.
just wanna spread it out into like a nice even layer.
Okay, do you want to see the bottom or do you want it to be thick enough?
It should be thin, it should be pretty thin.
Okay.
The most important thing is you want it to be even thickness throughout the whole thing.
Yeah.
Basically, you're throwing it in the oven super low, like 200 degrees for about 3 hours. You're just dehydrating ketchup. Yeah, it takes a while.
Wow.
And also your apartment might smell like ketchup. And then it comes out looking like this. So basically, we have a ketchup fruit roll-up.
Okay, so this is really thin and really sticky.
Yeah. Ketchup is like half sugar, so yeah, it's working like a fruit roll-up.
I didn't know that ketchup was half
it's
sugar.
more sugar. I think sugar might be the ingredient before tomatoes.
Oh no.
Oh no, did I ruin the ketchups for you? I'm so
did.
sorry.
It's not gonna stop me, don't
I
worry.
know.
And how many of these should we do for our 10,000 calorie burger?
We're gonna use the whole thing.
Oh, I'm sorry, we're gonna use all of this?
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna cut it into little baby squares.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Perfect. Oh my gosh, my hands are so sticky. Oh no. Ketchup is now ruined.
Next is candied bacon, which sounds like an intimidating thing to try to make yourself.
Yeah, I only really eat it when it's served to me.
Right. Bacon
Yeah.
and brown sugar.
Is there a technique to buying good bacon? Because I don't like fatty bacon.
Okay, so listen, there's a whole window on the back of the bacon to show you whether or not it's fatty or not. If
Okay.
it's- And she's a meaty cut.
I like her.
So all you're gonna do is throw the bacon into the bowl. You wanna get the strips from sticking to each other. Boom, that's it.
Perf.
Then you're gonna take some brown sugar.
Brown sugar, baby.
Hey, and sprinkle that in.
Okay, do you want me to do it?
You
I
sprinkle
feel
it
like
in. You don't need all
useless.
of it. We're gonna.
But I'm gonna be
Keep going.
really handy when we start stacking.
Yeah,
I
you're a
promise.
builder. I feel this.
Yeah, like Bob.
So you throw them in the oven. When they come out, the only difference is when you're making candied bacon, you have to let it cool on a rack.
Why is that?
Because if you let it cool on the foil, the sugar will just stick to the foil, and then the bacon's gonna be stuck to the foil, and then you can't eat the bacon.
Okay, that's a really good
So
tip.
just let it cool on a. You can get these at the 99-cent store. Treat yourself. Get a cooling rack.
I didn't even know I needed a cooling rack until now.
We've got all of our fun burger things, but we need to make the actual burger.
Yeah, because this is where all of the calories are going to come into play. This and the bacon. The meat is the most caloric part.
So 2 pounds of beef, we're gonna get about 4 to 5 patties out of it. Depends on just how thick you like your burgers.
But you came with a lot of burger tips that I want you to help share with the people, because I love burgers, I love consuming them, but when I make them at home, they're never as good as In-N-Out or Fat Burger.
Tip number 1, season your meat. I like to just use regular old seasoned salt. I don't measure when I season things.
Okay.
I just wait for the spirits of the ancestors to stop my hand. A lot of mistake people make is over mixing the meat, making it sort of like compact and dense, and that's when you get those like chewy, hard burgers.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make like 6 ounces patty, so I'd say like 1/2 inch thick. So burgers always shrink when you cook them, right?
They
You
do.
ever make a burger and then you put it on the bun and the burger's this big and the bun is this big?
Yeah.
So let's not do that. Make the patty wider than your bun. Trick number 2, whenever you cook your burgers, you know, sometimes they get like that burger hump.
Yeah, they get really fat.
Right, in the middle, and it's annoying. So to prevent that, we're just gonna use 3 fingers and make a little indentation in the middle. So now when you cook it, instead of getting a hump, you'll get an even burger.
That is so smart. You
Super
have so
easy.
many burger tips.
Listen, burgers are delicious and you should know how to make them correctly. So we got these cooked already. We're just gonna get those out.
It's the magic of Hollywood. Or
the
YouTube.
magic of just Holly.
We're about to build the biggest burger we've ever built. 10,000 calories is sitting right here, and we're about to make it look appetizing.
Hopefully. First step is a nice dense bun. So I'm using brioche, nice buttery delicious brioche.
I love
but
brioche.
it's a little bit denser than a regular burger bun because we're putting a lot of stuff on here. So you need some weight. And we're gonna take a burger,
Okay,
put a burger on it.
beautiful.
Now we're gonna add some cheese. Normally, when the burger's still in the pan, that's when you put the cheese on and then you put the lid on real quick to melt the cheese.
Okay.
We're not doing all that because we got a blowtorch. So we're gonna layer on some cheese.
Everything you're used to doing goes out the window when you have a blowtorch.
It does.
3 slices.
I mean, you know, let's be fancy.
4. Okay.
And then I have this creme brulee torch that I use literally for everything just because I might be a little bit of a pyromaniac.
I'm kind of.
But only with food, I promise.
Oh, this is beautiful. Just watch it burn,
Get
baby.
the cheese all melty and delicious.
Love it when it's blistering up. That already looks more gourmet.
Okay, let's add some bacon.
Ooh, yes.
Okay, so candied bacon. When we took it out the oven, it's not crispy. But once it cools, that sugar like caramelizes and hardens.
Okay, so
Yes.
I won't judge my bacon until it's cooled.
Yes.
That is a heart attack waiting to happen.
What should we do
That's okay.
next? Should we add vegetables for balance?
Yes, just one.
It's basically a salad. So we're gonna add another bun just for some structure.
Okay.
Actually, we're gonna put this flat side up so that the burger sits nice and flat.
Perfect.
Boom. Ready for the next layer of cheese?
I was thinking we should maybe do
Oh,
like.
we could do a mac and cheese in the middle.
Oh,
yeah. There we go.
What about some ketchup leather?
Oh, ketchup. Oh, yeah, let's drape some leather.
I don't know if that's as pretty as you would have done it, but.
Yeah, that's good.
So how many calories do you think we're at right now?
We're probably at about 2,000 maybe.
Okay, we keep going.
Yeah, let's keep it going. Let's add another patty.
Holly, we have accomplished so much today. I just didn't understand what 10,000 calories would look like in a burger, but now after seeing this, I'm like, oh, I get it now.
It's a lot.
It's a lot. And as hungry as I am and as much as I love cheeseburgers, I can't possibly eat this by myself. So we've awkwardly brought in Jarrett Sleeper, who has not opened his eyes yet. We're making him stare at the floor. So Jarrett, stare at the floor and walk carefully. Still look at the
still
floor.
looking at the floor. Yes, Mom. Yes, Mommy. I'm sorry.
If your mom is telling you that, you have a problem.
But your mom didn't make you to stare at the floor weirdly before you could eat?
Okay, so I want you to open your eyes on the count of 3. Ready?
On the count of 3, I'm glad you...
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. This is... Are we like in a Scooby-Doo cartoon? Does it even stay up by itself?
Not
Okay,
no.
got it, right.
No.
Wow, guys, you've really done a thing here.
Do you like it?
Yeah, beautiful. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. It is an accomplishment here.
Yeah, okay.
Looks good. What do I need to know? Tell me what I'm missing.
Well, you're missing the part where you're gonna help me eat it.
Oh, great, the whole thing. You're the engineer here. How do you advise us on...
Okay, so listen,
Consumption.
Erin just told me to make the burger. She didn't tell me I had to tell people how to eat it.
Just trying to get it so we can keep it in one piece as we go. to take a bite out of it.
Should I sit down for this?
No, we're gonna lift it up like a burger.
Oh.
Oh, this is heavy. Oh my, I was like, it's stuck. I was like, no, it's just heavy. Okay.
Ready? I'm just gonna go in here. Oh,
Yep.
yep. Uh-huh.
It's stabbing in the eye.
Tell me how.
This is normal and good.
Oh my god! I don't know what just happened, but I love it so much. It's really delicious.
I like it.
Please stop eating it.
No.
It's actually really good. I don't want to
Gotta
stop.
clean my plate. My mama made me look at the floor.
Please stop.
No.
Please don't eat it.
Please do the outro. Please stop this.
Please stop eating.
I can't.
Thank goodness for you guys. Thank you if you watched to this point. You are a special kind of human. We love you. Please subscribe to our channel. Also let us know in the comments if there are any other episode ideas that Holly should come up with or other things that Jared should eat on this show. Let us know. I'm gonna go pray for myself.
Stay tuned for the uncut long version. It'll be like 40 minutes, hour and a half of me just eating this, so.
For even more what the flavor, click over here because we made golden chicken wings. Yes, there's gold on chicken and things are interesting. Also subscribe.